Menta kasngi thok ding ka arpawai tarik jaleu arjara posau. Ukon rat kong kal sangma menteri rangba ka jela, balas sanran lang da ubak prestun tensong sembut menteri rangba. Kakong ida shisha nongrang, Director General of Police, bat kiwe ki pulit ka jela. Kilahyar sya Malangkona ban Plie ya ka police outpost. Ha ketika sngi sya ban Plie ketika police outpost, lapan loy ka jingalang, ha kebalayo ka jing pensyai lengkot, na Bikram di Marak, Superintendent of Police West Castles District. Layo ru ka jingkran na kakong ida shisha nongrang, ba prestun tensong RG memin MLA ka Ramrai Jerngam bat kiwe. Hadin ka jingalang umentri rangba ula Plie ya ketika police outpost.
Nga sanction ka ay utaha. And ba sanction ka ay no ba? Infrastructure, building rang, manpower rang sungjariya sale. Ya outpost ko na me salay na matzaha. Ang masya ya area ni mandirang. Tentang nik nakalirang ko na isimang chagrongi. Dalo janggi tanginga. Aro yanak pa infrastructure, aro outpost, aro security ko. Ya area ni mandirang nang sumot na. Uni ka man nga, tentang matsa. Actually, Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tinsong, former Home Minister, Mr. James Sangma, the Cham DGP Rang, the Cham SP Rang, aro sitting SP aro DC ko nga dun tamansa, gisa katong gabatsi, yak hamko, na me, chupsoke, matsote o kanina, ang atong tamad sa kalsikon kisa katong gabag sa nga matela pusyo ka. I would like to congratulate and thank our Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Police, our DGP, our former Home Ministers, and also former SPs and DCs, and more importantly the current SP and the DC, for having completed this building. And if you look at this building, it's a 17.5 lakh rupees building. But you have the Chief Minister of the state, the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, the DGP of the state, all the senior police officials coming here to be part of this very small inauguration in the program. But I would like to tell all of you that this building may be very small, but this building symbolizes the importance that this government gives to governance, the importance that we give to public service. This building is a symbol of the safety and security of the citizens of our state. This building is a symbol of the confidence of the people in this area. And hence it may be a very small structure, but the message is very large. And the message I would also like to give today, that as a government, the safety and security of our citizens is the top priority for our government. Yes, we have challenges, we have difficulties, but amongst those challenges and difficulties, if we all work together, if we all put our heart and soul into what we want to do and achieve, if we keep the objective and the purpose in front of us clear and visible, there is nothing that we cannot achieve. And that is the message of this particular inauguration today. And as Deputy CM has mentioned, this is not just one of the projects that is there. There will be many such projects in all the sensitive areas, in all the areas which are very far flung, which are very, very remote, where we have different challenges, where there's a requirement for different outposts and manpower. Let me assure the citizens of our state, not just in West Khasi Hills, but all across the state, that we are committed to ensure that we will build up the infrastructure and provide the manpower that is necessary to ensure that the safety of our people is always there.
Malangkona, but also in other places where we have come up very commendably and utilized the money that you have given to us, sir. So we assure you that the funds that you will be giving us under this PIR scheme will be closely monitored, and we will ensure that it is money well spent. It is being appreciated across the rank and file of the Plie police that we at last are able to do something for our own policemen. So, and I would also like to place on record my thanks and appreciation to the people of Malangkona for not only donating the land for making this building of this infrastructure possible, but also contributing not only men and material, but also their own labor. Vikram tells me that a lot of the construction work was shared very willingly by the villagers itself. Thank you so very much. It is this cooperation between the police and the working together between the police and the public that we serve, which will bring us much better results and will help us to understand each other better and to also be able to overcome a lot of the issues and the problems that come up. With these few words, I once again take this opportunity to congratulate the district administration and the district police for a job very well done. Thank you, Nitela Deshmukh.